Looking for a highly equipped SUV with superior functionality and every luxury option you could possibly imagine? You've come to the right place. Look at this 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland in bright white. With BI-XENON high-intensity headlights, 20-inch aluminum wheels, LED tail lamps, power folding multifunction mirrors, heated and vented front seats, steering wheel mounted shift levers, dual zone automatic temp control, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, backup camera, SELEC-TERRAIN system, QUADRA-LIFT air suspension, integrated voice command and Bluetooth, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, remote start system, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 2606A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.